Hello everyone and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we're diving into the world of mechanical keyboards with the Ducky One 3 TKL Aura Clear White Hotswap RGB mechanical keyboard. If you're a keyboard enthusiast or someone looking to elevate their typing experience, you'll want to stick around for this in-depth review. Let's kick things off with an overview of the Ducky One 3 TKL Aura. This mechanical keyboard boasts Ducky's quack mechanics design philosophy, aiming for top-notch aesthetics, functionality, and performance. It comes equipped with dual-layer high-grade silicone and EVA foam sound dampeners, ensuring a quieter typing experience without compromising on tactile feedback. Hot-swappable switches. One standout feature of the Ducky One 3 TKL Aura is its hot swap functionality, featuring exclusive KL yellow hot swap sockets. This allows users to customize their typing experience by easily swapping out switches without soldering. RGB lighting. Get ready to immerse yourself in a vibrant RGB experience with perky programmable RGB lighting. The translucent sides of the thick PBT double-shot keycaps enhance the lighting effects, making your keyboard truly shine. Improved design. The keyboard comes with a variety of improvements including V2 stabilizers for enhanced stability, a detachable braided USB cable for convenience, and a remapped macro layout for improved productivity. Acoustics. Thanks to the silicone plate dampener and EVA foam case dampener, the Ducky One 3 TKL Aura delivers exceptional acoustics, ensuring a satisfying typing sound without excessive noise. Now, let's talk about the user experience. Typing on the Ducky One 3 TKL Aura is an absolute delight. The combination of the hot swap switches, stabilizers, and dampening materials results in a smooth and responsive typing experience. Whether you're gaming, programming, or simply typing up documents, this keyboard offers the versatility and performance to meet your needs. Wrapping up our review, the Ducky One 3 TKL Aura Clear White Hotswap RGB mechanical keyboard truly impresses with its premium features, customizable options, and exceptional build quality. If you're in the market for a high-performance mechanical keyboard that doesn't compromise on style or functionality, look no further than the Ducky One 3 TKL Aura. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and product highlights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.